Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube Music not working issues. First of all, make sure your internet connection is stable. Slow or unstable connections can prevent YouTube Music from loading or streaming properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Next, close the YouTube Music app completely and reopen it. Restarting the app can often fix temporary glitches. After that, make sure your app is up to date. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for YouTube Music and tap on Update if it's available. And if the problem continues, try offloading the app. For that, go to your Settings app, then tap on General. After that, go into iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down and find YouTube Music from the list of apps and tap on it. And finally, tap on Offload app. This removes temporary files that might be causing the issue without affecting your account. Also, make sure your device has enough storage space and that background app restrictions aren't preventing YouTube Music from running properly. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact YouTube support for further help. They can troubleshoot account-specific or server-related issues. And that's all for today's video. These steps should help you fix YouTube Music not working and get back to enjoying your favorite songs. Thank you for watching till the very end, and if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.